Hey guys, I'll be cooking with what the? Alright, this is Mike. He's gonna be helping me cook some Vietnamese pork chops today. He's a sous chef, by the way. Mike! Are you hungry? Alright guys, we just went to Walmart and picked up some pork chops.
Olive oils.
Yes, Mike, and olive oils. This is just a basic recipe using everything I found around the house. I didn't have any lemongrass today. Just don't forget the fish sauce and sugar. Oh, don't forget MSG. After you have mixed everything together, just stick it in the fridge and let it marinate. Now it's time to go make some rice.
That is so cool.
You want to wash your rice and rinse it for a couple of times just to get all the dirt and ants and roaches. So how do I make rice? I've always used my index finger and just measured the water level above the rice. But let's see what finger Mike uses. Oh, I think that's the first thing all Asian mothers teach their kids. So after you wash the rice, make sure you guys wipe this pot, get all the water off before you stick it in the rice cooker. And guys, please do not forget to click this button. Alright guys, now Chef Mike's gonna teach us how to make some fish sauce, aka nước chấm. And Chef Mike's adding 1 quart sugar. We're using a half a cup. And then 1 quart fish sauce. But do not use the squid fish sauce because it sucks. Make sure you guys use 3 crabs. I don't have any 3 crabs today, so I found this 1 crab. Because 1 crab is better than no crab. A half a cup of this. The reason why we use crab fish sauce is that it's less salty. So it's good for this recipe, while the squid fish sauce has a higher salt content, so it's good for marinating. Mike's adding 5 quarts water and half a lime. We're pretty much done. Whatever's next is just up to you. We're adding some peppers and of course my favorite, garlic. Get rid of the vampires. You can also add some chili paste too. Chili paste would be awesome. Next, we're just gonna cut some tomatoes and cucumbers, just something basic.
From there. Perfect view.
Too perfect.
And start.
Time to check my rice. Oh yeah. Looks good. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a pleasure cooking for you. Mike, say something.
Hi.
Hello? Yeah, I just walked in. Yeah, I'm good. You still working? Tonight? Right now? Did I go out? Yeah, I went out. I went to a couple of clubs.